Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my zucchini bread. Okay, let's talk about zucchini. So they come in different sizes, and the ones I normally buy, they come small like this. That's what I like, but I went to a different store and they had bigger ones, and I just wanted to buy one so you can see. I want to weigh them out so you can see, just so you have an idea when you're buying your zucchini. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. So for this recipe, I'm using the 2 small zucchini, and as you can see, that's a little bit less than 1 pound, that's 13.7 ounce, and the bigger one is 13.9 ounce. So they're almost the same size. I'm going to cut off both ends of the zucchini before I grate it. I'm going to use the big side of the grater to grate my zucchini. If you've never had zucchini bread before and you think how is that even going to be good, well, trust me on this one, it doesn't taste anything like zucchini. You can't even taste the zucchini in it. It tastes more like a banana bread. Be careful, try not to grate your fingers. Clean off your grater and make sure you get all the zucchini, and also all the zucchini from the inside. I want to measure this out so you can see exactly how much it is, and for this recipe I'm using 2 cups of zucchini, and this is exactly what I need. So when you put it in a measuring cup, you want to make sure you press it all the way down. I like to just pack it in there really tight, and then that way I can know exactly how much zucchini I'm using. As you can see, this is a little bit over 2 cups, but that little bit is not going to hurt it. Okay, I'm just putting it back in the bowl because I just wanted to measure it out so you can see. But now I'm going to add some salt to this. I'm adding half teaspoon of salt to that. And what the salt will do is that will help draw out the moisture from the zucchini. You might ask, why do you want to do that? Well, sometimes people think zucchini have a bitter taste, so that will help to get it out. After I mix everything really well, I'm going to set this aside and let it rest for 10 minutes. While that's resting, I'm going to work on the other ingredients. So I'm going to work on my dry ingredients first. To my bowl, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of white flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk that together and then set it aside. To another bowl, I'm going to add half cup of canola oil, but you can use any flavorless oil, half cup of white sugar, half cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, and half tablespoon of vanilla. You're going to whisk that until everything is thoroughly combined. Now I'm going to take this and add this to my dry ingredients. Mix this together until everything is combined, but you don't want to overmix this. It was exactly 10 minutes by the time I was finished with everything else, and it was time to squeeze out the zucchini. You can use a towel or any kind of cloth you have. I'm just using my Belizean tortilla cloth. I rarely ever get to use these things, only when I make tortilla. So I'm using it to squeeze out my zucchini. When I first started making zucchini bread and it was time to squeeze out the zucchini, I was afraid to put it in my cloth because I thought it would stick to it, but it's not going to do that, so don't worry about that. I'm going to squeeze it in this same bowl and you're going to see how much water comes out. It's crazy. Okay, now I'm going to add this to the batter, and as you can see, my cloth is very clean, nothing stuck to it, so yeah, you don't have to worry about that. And the very last thing I'm adding to this is a half a cup of chopped walnuts. Mix that until everything is combined, but don't overmix it. Here I have my loaf pan and I already greased it with cooking spray. I'm going to bake this in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 50 minutes. After the 50 minutes, it's still not quite done, so that's when I like to go in there and put a piece of aluminum foil on top. And what that will do is that will prevent it from getting brown. So I don't want it to burn on top, but I want it to finish cook. I'm using my toothpick to check it one last time, and if the toothpick comes out clean, then that means it's finished. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh my goodness, I wish I could share with you guys. Like I said earlier, it doesn't taste anything like zucchini. You can't even taste the zucchini. To me, it tastes more like banana bread without the banana. So just imagine that. All I need now is a nice cup of coffee and breakfast is done. Actually, I've been more into Thai tea lately, so a nice cup of Thai tea and a slice of zucchini bread, I'm good to go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you give it a try. If you do, please tag me on any of my socials. I would love to see. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.